Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see a quick and easy snack recipe with wheat flour. For the recipe, take 1 cup of wheat flour. To this add the required amount of salt, a teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 cube of processed cheese. Give everything a nice mix. Now let us add water little by little and knead this into a soft dough. Dough is ready, apply some oil on it. Let us split the dough into 2 halves and roll them. Roll it thin. Now let us cut this into small pieces. The pieces are ready, use a fork spoon to poke them. Doing this, you can avoid the dough from raising while frying. Take enough oil for frying in a pan. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Fry all the pieces in hot oil and in medium flame. Once the pieces are golden brown and crispy, you can take it out. Transfer them into a bowl and add some pizza seasoning. The crisps are ready to be served. You can serve this immediately or you can store it in an airtight container. If you like, you can add some more pizza seasoning. So here our pizza crisps are ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.